Hello everyone, I'm going to take computer science subject for class 9. Let's continue our learning in this lockdown. Today we'll take chapter 5, that is more feature of a word processor in a MS Word. Before we go to the next chapter, let's see what we learned in the previous chapter. We learned that a word processor is a software where informations are converted into type forms, where the words and sentence can be edited and make changes. Some examples of word processor are Microsoft Words, WordPerfect, OpenOffice, etc. We have learned here the component of Microsoft Word window, editing in Microsoft Words, that is text formatting, page formatting, and paragraph formatting. In this video, we learn the following 6 points. First points, spelling and grammar. Second points, changing case. Third points, finding and replace tags. Fourth points, bullets and numbering. Fifth points, inserting symbols. 6 points, to create a table. Let's start with our first point, that is spelling and grammar. Microsoft Words come with a powerful spelling and grammar checker. The spelling and grammar tools of Words check the entire document or a part of the document. It really helps us to improve our writings. Let us see the steps here. There are 2 steps to check the spelling and grammar. First step, just by pressing the F7, that is the function key. Second, just by following these steps. First step, click at the review. Second step, click at the spelling and grammar. Third step, find the mistaken word and replace with the correct word. Let's see how we can check the spelling and grammar. So I have typed here a paragraph with some words typed wrongly. Now what we can see in this paragraph is that some words are with red underlines where some are with the green underlines. So those red underlines words means there is a spelling mistake, whereas with the green underlines means the grammar mistake. If you can see here that the first line is with the green underline, which means the grammar mistake is there. Down here also you can see one green underline, which means grammar mistake. If you read through, you can find that the question mark is not required here or nor here also. So just click and rough over the question mark there and click and rough over the question mark, and you can see that the green line disappear. Now to check the spelling, now click at the review from the menu, then click at the spelling and grammar. Now what we can see here is that another window will come up where one word showing the red color which says the spelling mistake is here, and down here the suggestion is there which giving 3 options. So you can select any one from these 3 options as per your requirement. So you can just click any one as per your requirement and just click at change. You can see here that the word has been changed here now. Now when you click at change, you can see that it will look for the another words with mistake and give you a number of suggestions there. You just select any one as per your requirement, again just click at change. So it keep on looking for the next word and you follow the same step again, click at change, then click at change, then click at change. So at the end it will say the spelling and grammar check is complete. And click it OK, and you can see that this paragraph is now there is no red underline or there is no green underline, so this paragraph is free from grammatical and spelling errors. Now let's see the another tools which you can find here. This is the trace errors. Now what is the trace errors is for? Sometimes what happens when you do a typing, we find that I could have used some better words than what we have typed. So trace errors will give us different words with the same meanings. Let's take an example here. Say for example the word prevent here. So what are the other words I can use rather than prevent but which have the same meanings? So you can click at this word which you are looking for the different words, then click at the trace errors from the menu here. Now what you can see is that towards the right side a window will come up with lots of options. So I like to add avoid in place of prevent. So what you can do is that click at avoid, and arrow is there, drop down arrow is there, just click it there, and remember you have to click at insert. So when you click at insert, this avoid will replace in place of prevent. So you can see here the word come up here. So similarly you can do and check for other words also. Our next point is changing case, which means we can make the text into capital and small letter, that is uppercase or lowercase. Let's see what are the steps involved in changing the case. First step is select the text where you have to make the changes. Second step, click at the home tab. Third step, click in the change case, which you can find under the font group. Now next step is the 5 options will list up, and you have to select any one option out of these 5 as per your requirement. These 5 options are sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. In sentence case, the first letter in a paragraph will be capitalized, whereas in lowercase, all the letter will be in small letters, that is lowercase. Whereas uppercase, all the letter will be in capital letter, that is uppercase. Whereas capitalize each word means in each word the first alphabet will be capitalized. Whereas toggle case, all the capital letter will change into lower case and all the uppercase will change into lowercase. Let us try to use those various options we have under the changing case. So I have typed here the first line. The beginning alphabet is the small letter. Now let's make changes here. I select it, then go to the home tab. Under it you can find the font. Under the font group you can find here the change case. So just click it there. You can find those 5 options coming up listed out here. So let's start with the first one, sentence case. So when I click here, you can see here that the first letter, which was in small letter, it turned into a capital letter. Now let's select the sentence again, then go to the change case again. Now let's select the second option, this is a lowercase. Now what you can see here is that here the word COVID is in capital letter and this TOT is capital letter. Now if I select lowercase, let's see whether the change apply or not. So you can see here everything is in lowercase now. Next, let's select the third option, that is uppercase. Let's click in the uppercase. You can see that all the words has been turned into a capital letter. Now let's go and select the capitalize each word. So you can see here that each word, the first alphabet is in capital letter. Now let's select it again and let's see the next option, that is toggle case. So here you see the first alphabet is the capital letter and the rest are a small letter. Let's see if I select this one and see. See, the first alphabet become the small and the remaining alphabet become capital. Our next point is find and replace. Sometimes you may need to search a particular word or text in a document, or you may need to replace some words. So the command find and replace is useful for such work. Let us see the steps to find and replace text. To find text, step 1, click at the home tab. Step 2, click at find, which will find under the editing group. Step 3, type the words that you are looking for. Step 4, you can see that the words that you type, it will be highlighted in the document. Now to replace the text. Step 1, click at the home. Step 2, click at replace under the editing group. Step 3, under the find word box, you type the words that you are looking for. And step 4, under the replace with box, type the words that you want to replace it. For example, to find the words computer in a document and replace it with the laptop. So under the find word box, you type the words computer. Under the replace with box, type the words laptop. So in the document, wherever the words computer is there, it will replace with the word laptop. Let us follow the steps here to find and replace the word or text. So click at the home, then click at find, which is under the editing group. So click at find here. A window will come up where you can say find what is showing up here. So let me type here the word that I'm looking for. Say for example coronavirus. I want to find out the words coronavirus. Then just click at find in my document. So you can see here is that. Then you can close it. You can see here wherever the word coronavirus is there, it's been highlighted in the entire document. Now let's see how to replace the word. So go to the home again, then under the editing group, click at replace. Now here the window will come up where it says find word and replace with. Now find word. So under the find word, I type the word here coronavirus to find it, and under the replace with I type here COVID-19. So whatever the word coronavirus is there in the document, it will be replaced with the new words COVID-19. Then replace all. Then click at yes, then OK, and close it. So you can find here wherever the word coronavirus is there, it has been replaced with the new words COVID-19 in the entire document.